do many group rides, but I sure wasn't going to miss this one.
You know, getting out here isn't easy, but that's kind of the point.
I'm not going to ramble on and on about this place, but it's a World Heritage Site for a reason, and that reason is that it was the capital of the ancestral Puebloan people 1,000 years ago. And now we're riding motorcycles here to come check it out. Crazy. Did you catch that sign? Yeah, this place was occupied from 850 to 1250 AD. They sure were a lot shorter back then. The experts think that it took over 200,000 trees to build everything around here. And those trees came from Colorado, up to 100 miles away. And they didn't have any wagons, carts, or draft animals when they built this place. Spend a couple minutes Googling this place. It will blow your mind. This place, Pueblo Bonito, is known as a great house, and there were 9 great houses in Chaco Canyon, but Pueblo Bonito is the largest one and had over 600 rooms. So Chaco Canyon is in what's known as dark sky country, and I don't know what it is about dark sky country, but it makes you forget that you have 3 cameras at your disposal. I totally dropped the ball with capturing these moments, and I blame it on that darn fire right there. Just mesmerized me, and as did the sky, which this camera didn't pick up, but it was amazing, trust me. Thank you, Gary, for organizing this trip and leading us out here, and you knocked it out of the park, man. And I'm not just talking about those gourmet hot dogs you cooked. Appreciate it. Well, that's it. Campsite's cleaned up. We're out of here. See you next time.